Elasticsearch as a Service solution from Elastic, the creators of Elasticsearch. Elastic Cloud makes it easy to deploy and manage your Elasticsearch clusters. Just tell us the size of your cluster and the preferred geographical location, and we take care of the rest. Getting started is easy. Just log into the Elastic Cloud console. To provision a new cluster, select the capacity and preferred region for your deployment. I'll provision a cluster with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD storage. And don't worry, if your capacity requirements change, you can scale up or down just as easily, along with zero downtime and interruption. Since I'm in California, let's go with the US West region. Let's choose fault tolerance of 2 data centers to protect us against downtime. Elastic Cloud always gives you access to the latest and greatest version of the Elastic Stack. New versions are available on Elastic Cloud the day they are released. Upgrading your existing clusters is easy too. Just select a new version in the cluster configuration and the rest is handled automatically in the background. We can tweak additional options or install plugins. Commercial plugins such as Watcher and Monitoring are available, but sticking with the defaults is just fine too. Finish with a cluster name. And just like that, with a few easy clicks, we have an Elasticsearch cluster up and running with replication and high availability. On the cluster overview page, we see the endpoints to the Elasticsearch cluster. But before we start sending data, let's secure the cluster to protect it against unauthorized access. We take the security of your data very seriously. Elastic Cloud includes the full power of the Elastic Security plugin to manage and secure access to your cluster. You can control users, roles, and privileges, all from the convenience of the management console. And with a few clicks, your cluster is secured. Let's send some data its way. Here I'll use Logstash to index tweets about my favorite superheroes. Add the cluster URL and access credentials to the Logstash config file and let the ingest begin. And we have data streaming to our newly deployed Elasticsearch cluster. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Elastic Cloud also provides a free instance of Kibana with all deployments. Enable Kibana, navigate to an endpoint, and visualize away. This is the simplicity of Elastic Cloud. We do all the hard work of configuration and keeping your service online so that you can focus on delivering what matters, the content. Elastic Cloud. Nobody hosts Elasticsearch better. Sign up for your free trial.